for real. You will find where the heart is unselfish. True love, reflecting the love of God. And for this love I forevermore. The wind in the hills calling to me to roam and roam and roam. Wind in the hills, won't you be still, silent, secret, and near? The winds in the hills, there's song in my heart, there's crest on the waves and sand on the shore. For the world is my home, and I roam around. The flowers are in bloom, the air like perfume, the forest is green, a beautiful scene, and the world is my home, and I roam around. Where am I going? I just never know, near or far away. Don't try to follow, or lost you may be. Keep watching and waiting and praying for me. The winds in the hills, there's song in my heart, there's love in my life and life in my blood. For the world is my home, and I roam around. Too sad to sing, I just want to cry, 'cause I miss you more every day. Sun's in the sky, and I wonder why the sun shines since you went away. Remember the picnic and fun that we had, dozens of dates, and we never got warm and true, and then you'll know my love has grown now, and thus can be returned to you. And when the season comes into view, the leaves are changing to every hue, and you will find my love changes too. It now has ripened, matured for you. When autumn turns to winter weather, the four seasons pass us by. We'll see the cycle life has sent us. Oh, let us live, let seasons got lost in the night. Give me light, give me light. The way is so steep, yet my heart seems to quicken. First in pure joy, then comes sorrow defeat, never sure where to turn or to what I must learn to be good.